Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to share your Linktree to Instagram bio. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and type right here Linktree, right? Basically what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and log in to my Linktree and make sure that you claim your Linktree. And basically what you're going to do next, you're going to be able to copy the link of your Linktree. So linktree.ee/budget, right? And then slash your username, basically, right? And then what you're going to do after you log in, copy the link, go back to your screen, and then go ahead to your Instagram right here. And basically what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right, and then go ahead and click edit profile. Okay, and here you're gonna see links. Go ahead and add a link right here, and then just type right here, let's say link, right? And then hit done, and then your link will be added to your Instagram, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank